This was poster number 255. Now I would like to request poster number 258 to be present. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Mr. Patel. I'm here to present the subject formulation and evaluation of topical spray containing novel combination of antifungal drugs. Next slide, please, ma'am. As we know, there are different types of fungal infections, starting from superficial, cutaneous, subcutaneous, and opportunistic. In during this fungal infection, mostly we prefer for the oral dosage form, but there are still some of the unwanted side effects that comes along with this dosage form. Another option for fungal infection is application of semi-solid dosage. Talking about the drawbacks of semi-solid dosage form is that it is quite unhygienic as we apply with our fingers, and it has high chances to spread infection. When we apply, as it is in semi-solid form, it can be easily wiped off by the cloth material. Hence, it has lower retention and penetration rate. Because of this reason, we need to use for a longer period of time, which can result into drug resistance issue. So overall, it can be concluded as a less patient compliance. And during this application, if sterility is an important point, so that is not maintained as we directly apply with our fingers. Next slide, ma'am. The rationale for selecting the topical spray as the formulation is that any person can easily apply it. It's easy to use and it shows a better patient compliance because of the following reasons. That the spreading of infection was a problem in semi-solid dosage form is been reduced. It forms a dry film, so it immediately gets dried up, and there are less chances of wiping out. Because of this, the drug can easily penetrate, and proper drug efficacy can be achieved. Short period of time is required for the therapy as compared to the conventional one, and due to which the drug resistance issue has been reduced. And overall, when it is sprayed directly from the container, the sterility is maintained. Next slide. Here are the drug profiles, that is a combination of fluconazole and fluconazole, including its half-life, solubility in solvents. For fluconazole, it is acetone, ethanol, and DMSO. For curcumin, it is slightly soluble in water, soluble in DMS, acetone, and ethanol. Both are being proven for its antifungal activity by preventing the cell formation and its destruction. The combination is also reported for its synergistic effect, dose reduction of fluconazole, and it can be concluded as a herbal based economical product and quicker recovery. Next slide, ma'am. The material used for the formulation is drug polymers belonging to category of hydroxyl ethyl cellulose. Another other excipients used are dibutyl phthalate, which is used as a plasticizer, lubricant, skin emollient, camphor and menthol as formation enhancer for cooling effect, antimicrobial and antipyretic effect. Ethanol and DCM as a solvent, formation enhancer, and here are the objectives. Objective one, firstly, we are seeing the polymers and solvent. The polymers including the Eucratic classes and ethyl cellulose, and solvent in various combination, that is ethanol, acetone in different ratio, ethanol and DCM in different ratio. Plasticizer as an excipient, that is dibutyl phthalate. Objective two is after screening, preparation of formulation, and third, that is evaluation of the prepared formulation. Next slide, ma'am. The preparation of polymeric solution is displayed over here, that polymers and solvents, they are mixed and kept overnight, and the evaluation parameters that are performed are viscosity, drying time, stickiness, cosmeceutical attractiveness, and integrity on the skin. Here we have followed the method of rating, that is 1, 2, and 3, where 1 indicates the lowest ranges and 3 indicates the highest. According to this table, for a desirable characteristic, we would prefer the polymeric solution combination with a low rating, so that it is less viscous, it quickly dries, it is less sticky, has good attractiveness. For attractiveness, it is the opposite, that is high to low. And for integrity, that is it forms a complete film with no cracks and proper spreadability. Here there is a table of screening of different polymers and solvents and the parameter evaluation parameters that were evaluated and rated. with ethanol and all the polymers, ethanol, acetone combination with 50 is to 50 and 80 is to 20 ratio with all the polymers. And lastly, at the bottom, we can see that there is a total mention because we are rating it from 1. Further, for the solvent combination, ethanol and DCM, that is 50 is to 50 and is 80 is to 20. Again, it has been screened with the different polymers and it has been evaluated. From the total, we can see that batch A21 and A22 shows the least rating. That was our preference for selecting this A21 and A22 batch. Next, ma'am. So, as an outcome of preliminary screening, the polymers that were screened were Utrazit E100 and Utrazit RS100, and the solvent combination selected was ethanol and DCM in the ratio of 80 is to 20. Once this polymer and solvents are screened, further the formulation is made with the drug and other excipient with the quantity which is mentioned in the table. Now, different concentration of polymers are explored, ranging from 2.5 to 12.5 for E100, and for RS100 it is from 2.5 to 10%. The batches were evaluated for the parameters like spray pattern, spray angle, evaporation time, pH, and the average weight per actuation. Among these batches, E4 and RC, they showed a spherical and uniform spray pattern and the spray angle around 83 to 85. So these two batches shows a potential to have a good spray pattern and spray angle. Further, this entire all the batches were also evaluated for in vitro drug diffusion study. In this drug diffusion study, from the graph we can see that the batch E4 and R3, they are giving release up to 6 hours, which we desire. That is an extended release, which is desired for the effect of against the fungal infection. So, among this all batches, after thorough evaluation, batch R3 containing the Utrazit RS100, that is 7.5%, was selected as an optimized batch. The reason for selecting this batch is it gave a maximum drug release in 6 hours with a very less polymer concentration in comparison to batch E4. It also showed sustained drug release up to 6 hours. It has good film properties and a uniform spray pattern and spray angle, which is desirable for the topical application in the form of a spray. Further, the optimized batch evaluation was done for the antifungal efficacy by measuring the zone of inhibition. In that, we have taken formulation containing the drug individual, the formulation without the drug, and the optimized batch. So from this value, we can see that the optimized batch has a greater zone of inhibition as compared to the individual drug. The batch was also evaluated for the skin irritation study in rat, and in rat there were 3 groups, that was control, optimized formulation, and the formaldehyde solution. And the parameters like erythema and edema was noted. The rating was given from 0 to 4, with 0 as lowest, that is, there is no erythema and edema. And according to the observation, uh, with the greater effect, it was rated up to 4. So from the table, we can see that the optimized formulation do not show any kind of erythema and edema. So this batch shows a good antifungal efficacy, and also it does not create any kind of skin irritation issue. Further, this batch, the optimized batch, it was the stability studies were conducted for about 1 month, and all the parameters were found to be within the range and as per the desired criteria. So the outcome of the study is to prepare the patient-friendly dosage form that anyone can apply it easily, and also it overcomes the disadvantages of existing semi-solid dosage form. That is reduced chances of cross contamination. Also, the formulation do not stick to the apparel. Hence, it reduces the wastage, as in a kind of the aluminum tube or plastic tubes where the semi-solid dosage forms are being dispensed. Safe solvents are used for this preparation. And talking about its evaluation or performance, it showed superior antifungal activity. The formulation was stable, and again, the film formed. It was easy to wash. Next slide, ma'am. These are the references. Thank you, OPF, and all the judges and participants for being in this presentation. Thank you.
It is a very good work. Uh, Can you say something regarding the compatibility of curcumin with fluconazole?
Yes, sir. Sir, DSC and FTR was performed. So both the mixtures, they are compatible with each other with all the excipients. So there is no incompatibility.
Okay. So, what would be the effect of sweat, sebaceous secretions on your formulation?
Sir, actually, this means the effect of sweat has not been performed, but as it is in the topical spray, it quickly dries. So it is like immediately drying up, and the formulation would be like it would be easy to penetrate into the skin because of the less drying time.
You said your formulation is stable. Did you carry out a stability test?
Yes, sir. Means we have kept it for 1 month stability, and all the parameters which are to be performed for that particular formulation has been.
On Based on what guidelines did you do the stability test?
Sir, as per the ICH guideline, but as this project is for university, the time period is very short, so we have performed for just 1 month.
What would be the cost of one unit?
Sir, in terms of cost, it would be, I have not calculated, but it would be comparable to the conventional because right now we are using fluconazole and curcumin, that is a herbal based product. Also, here with lesser quantity, the effect is more, wastage is less, so it can be an economical product.
You had said that you have used what you call environment friendly solvents.
Yes.
So, in case if you use your formulation on a hot summer in a place like Rajasthan and all, so how safe is your formulation, and how environment friendly is it?
These solvents are also used in various preparation already. It is already existing, so we can easily use it as already it has been used in various products.
Okay. Good work. But as soon as you spoke about fungus, I thought you would be correlating with the black fungus and some other work. So, this is topical. Will this combination work in black fungus in case not as a formulation, not this formulation, like curcumin having a synergistic effect on antifungals, especially on black fungus, white fungus, or yellow fungus, whichever it may be.
Curcumin, so actually curcumin and fluconazole both are like proven for the oral consumption and its antifungal activity. So we can explore it because curcumin has, in fact, a better fungal activity even in compared to fluconazole. So with the already existing synthetic drug or a curcumin and along with the combination of different herbal elements that is an antifungal efficacy, we can surely opt for the combination of this mucormycosis.
So that is the need of the hour. On behalf of OPF, I request you to probe more into using curcumin for black fungus
Surely,
disease.
surely,
Okay,
sir.
so that
Thank
will be
you.
the need of the hour. Take it up immediately. Okay, all the best. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Over to my colleagues.
Yeah, uh, Mittal Patel, it is really good work. Only
Thank
one
you.
question from my side. If not curcumin, in your formulation you have got, I think, fluconazole, curcumin. If not curcumin, what else you would have preferred and why?
Um, sir, actually, I
Because
cannot.
why I'm asking? Because there are obvious reasons for using or choosing curcumin. Okay.
Yes.
My question is beyond curcumin. Is there anything else you wish to explore, or you want to explore, or you would have explored?
Okay, sir. I have selected curcumin based on the various review and its efficacy that was proven.
No, I'm aware.
Uh,
I'm not talking
I have,
about curcumin. I'm saying if not curcumin, what else you would have thought, or have you given any thought on that?
no, sir. Actually, I have uh, not thought of other options, but as you mentioned, I will definitely look for maybe, sir. I have read somewhere Vidania could be an option if like for antifungal, but I
Acha,
need to
this kind of work is not reported anywhere in the literature.
Sir, it is like an individual combination or a combination for oral usage, or it is like in a gel form. But this work is for a topical spray formulation along with reduction of the content and better efficacy.
Okay. Okay. What about stability? I mean, you must have done the stability, right?
Yes,
So it's comparatively with the marketed formulations, whatever. Is it quite stable?
yes, sir. As per the 1 month study, it has shown the
1 month.
characteristic that it is
1 month,
yes.
yes. Okay. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Mittal, Miss Mittal, can you
Yes, sir.
um, pointed out a few physiochemical parameters of the polymers because you use the polymers, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you give for some parameters, physiochemical parameters,
Sir, means
composition used? Yes,
in which kind means
polymers. Especially I'm talking about polymers.
the viscosity and all such parameters, sir.
Yeah, the
Yes,
parameters.
sir.
What are the parameters you have carried out? Means crossed out during the
Yes,
work.
sir. Viscosity, then drying time, stickiness, then integrity. So these were the parameters that were done for the polymer screening or selection.
Okay, what is the reference you taken for these particular studies, for especially in the physiochemical parameters point of view? What are the references,
Sir, research
or
articles.
what any guidelines?
Sorry, sir.
See, any references already the literatures you collected.
Yes, sir.
Um, see, just I want the comparison for the polymers. Why you selected these two polymers? Why not others?
Sir,
What,
Yudraj, when it is for topical application, it
mm,
has a greater penetration effect. Means it helps the drug to penetrate deeply into the layers of skin. So that was one option because of its penetration. And different categories of Yudrajit were explored because at the same time we have to see that whether which kind of polymer is getting dried easily, that drying time and the penetration both, and particularly the focus of Yudrajit was for the penetration as a great permeability for the drug.
okay, fine. Then materials you used, right? Means all the materials where you procured.
Some materials we procured it means basically some of the polymers are from the college, and few of the industries in Ahmedabad and Baroda we are from Gujarat, so we have procured from the nearby industries, and few of the materials were provided by the college itself.
What is the quality standards of the materials?
Sir, the polymers that are uh, by purchased by the college, they already have the certification and the uh, quality details of that polymers. And once we buy from any of the industry, they also send us the certification of analysis. So they, as a gift sample, we approach, and they also send us EOA for that particular material,
So
whether it is
once you
drug.
procured, yeah, once you procured, can you carry out any evaluation test for to confirm the standards of the materials?
Sir, we go for the particularly for drugs. We again go for analysis of drugs. For
Hmm.
polymers, we haven't, but for drugs, we definitely go for the calibration study.
Okay, fine. So already you said that it is some existing formula. The topical is for the gel. Uh, what are the other formulations are there?
Sir, it's oral tablet, oral capsule, and gel. These are the forms that are being explored. But it is like mostly for fluconazole. And in research, curcumin has been explored for proving the efficacy.
So what way your work is going to be superior or significantly better for the existing formulation or very close to your rival? If it is you are going to be launching in the future for your
Uh,
product in the market.
the use of this combination in a formulation that can give
Mhm.
a good patient compliance. One thing is patient compliance, and second is the efficacy that we are looking for. So, if with the lesser amount of content, if we are getting good efficacy, then we can opt for that particular formula.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. And
Thank you.
all the best.
Thank you, sir.